Hello everyone, I'm from Netsol Water Solutions and today we're going to talk about sewage problem in the city of Delhi. Do you know the water is becoming increasingly scarce as the population in Delhi grows? Nature is now unable to handle the huge volumes of effluent on its own. As the population expands, so does the amount of wastewater produced. In this regard, we play a part in sewage treatment plant manufacturing to accelerate the natural process of cleaning water. The natural process is overburdened by billions of humans and significantly more wastewater in Delhi and entire India. Without proper wastewater treatment, the volume of wastewater would be disastrous. As per CPCB reports, the existing capacity for sewage treatment is only 6190 mld. Between sewage generation and installed sewage treatment capacity, there is still a shortfall of 22,939 mld. The difference in percentage is about 78.7%. Another sewage treatment capacity of 1742 mld is being planned or built. Even if this is added to existing capacity, there will still be a sewage treatment capacity gap of 21,196 mld, that is approximately equal to 72.7%. Thus, it has become important to build more and more sewage treatment plants in India. And believe me, your search will begin and stop at Netsol Water Solutions. We have a nationally recognized team of wastewater professionals that share the objective of offering innovative, sustainable, and environmentally friendly sewage treatment solutions. Our level of knowledge and attention to detail ensures that not only the best but most dependable products are produced, supplying the Indian market with the most advanced sewage treatment plants. Our STPs are used for both industrial and commercial purposes. The industrial sector involves textile, food and beverages, paper and pulp, chemical, pharmaceuticals, clothing, automobile, aerospace, and many more. And the commercial sector involves residential, apartments, malls, schools, offices, stadiums, complexes, and many more. The ultimate goal of our sewage treatment plants is to generate effluent that can be released into the environment with less contamination so that the effluent can be reused in a beneficial manner. Some sewage treatment methods generate sewage sludge, which can be processed further before safe disposal or reuse. Under some conditions, processed sewage sludge may be referred to as biosolids and is utilized as a fertilizer. These plants are a game changer in entire India for sewage treatment due to their groundbreaking and creative design. If you want to know more about our STPs, feel free to contact us. Also like, share and subscribe our channel for latest updates. Thank you so much.